1. The Fox and the Grapes. One hot afternoon, a hungry fox was wandering through the forest looking for food. He came across a vineyard full of juicy, ripe grapes hanging from a high branch. His mouth watered as he imagined how sweet they would taste. He jumped and jumped, but no matter how hard he tried, he couldn't reach them. After several failed attempts, the fox grew tired and frustrated. He finally gave up and walked away, saying, "Those grapes are probably sour." Anyway, he convinced himself they weren't worth the effort. Moral: it's easy to despise what you can't have. 2. The Tortoise and the Hare. A proud hare always laughed at a slow-moving tortoise. One day, the tortoise challenged the hare to a race. The hare found the idea funny but agreed. When the race began, the hare ran quickly and left the tortoise far behind. Confident that he would win, he decided to rest under a tree and soon fell asleep. Meanwhile, the tortoise kept walking slowly but steadily. When the hare woke up, he was shocked to see the tortoise near the finish line. The hare ran as fast as he could, but it was too late. The tortoise won the race. Moral: slow and steady wins the race. 3. The Lion and the Mouse. One day, a lion was sleeping peacefully in the jungle when a little mouse accidentally ran over his paw. The lion woke up angry and caught the mouse. "Please let me go," the mouse squeaked. "I'll never forget your kindness." The lion laughed but released him. A few days later, hunters caught the lion in a net. The mouse heard his roar for help and rushed to the spot. He quickly chewed through the ropes and set the lion free. The lion thanked the tiny mouse for saving his life. Moral: kindness is never wasted. Even small acts can make a big difference. 4. The Ant and the Grasshopper. All summer long, the ants worked hard, gathering grains and storing food for the winter. Nearby, a happy grasshopper sang and danced, mocking the ants for working so hard. "Why don't you relax and enjoy?" he laughed. But the ants ignored him and continued working. When winter came, the ground was covered with snow. The ants stayed warm and well-fed in their home. The grasshopper, cold and hungry, came to them begging for food. The ants reminded him of his laziness in summer. Moral: work hard today so you can enjoy tomorrow.